Of course, the amazing Hiccup Hunter Toopy knew exactly what to do. He raised his hand really slowly, grabbed the strange thing, and suddenly... Got him! The monster closed his eyes, and the amazing Hiccup Hunter Toopy silently climbed on a big treasure chest. Then Hiccup Hunter Toopy took a deep breath and... Oh, were you scared? Again, Toopy, the amazing Hiccup Hunter, had the most brilliant idea. Oh, I surprised you, huh? The fabulous Hiccup Hunter took something from his bag and began to wind it and wind it. Then suddenly... Oh, poor Binoo. You still have...